Oh my god, I finally received my bag insert for my Speedy 25 bandolier. I mean, the quality of this insert was totally worth the wait, and by the end of the video you will know exactly what I mean. But before starting, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love if you could subscribe. I post twice a week. So if you didn't know, I recently, this month in January at the beginning, I got this bag. And I also ordered an insert. So when I got this initially, I thought I didn't really need an insert, but when I unboxed it, it was just so slouchy and out of shape because the way that LV packages this bag specifically is that it comes in a box totally flat. So you have to build the shape. So I wanted something to put in the bag to be able to have this pretty shape that it's supposed to be very consistently, instead of like just an ugly slouchy look. And I'll show some pictures here, and I will show you what I mean when I'm talking about a slouchy shape. That is something that I just don't want to happen to my bag. I just don't want to wear it like that. I want my bag to look like this, like it's supposed to, right? And I even thought about making something myself, but you know, with how busy I am, I was like, yeah, that's a bad idea for me to start being a crafty person. And I decided to do this video now because I did receive it today, and I just got home from work and I just couldn't wait. I need to show you because I actually unboxed it and tried it on just to be sure that this is actually the right size for my bag, even though the label says it's for the 25. But you know, with my full-time job as an engineer, I've seen it all. Sometimes the label can say something and then the product is something else. That's happened, and I've seen it happen. So that's why I am like, I need to try this first before, you know, unboxing it in front of everybody on the camera. But I did take some pictures of the item once I received it, but once I removed it from the cardboard box, this is how it looked, and I will show a picture now. So I took a couple of pictures in different angles, so it came just perfectly packaged with this cute bow. I mean, this is the first time actually for ordering from these people. So apparently they have been in business since 2006 as per their card. And of course they have just a lot of inserts of just many different colors, but I specifically wanted to order the very light pink, kind of like this beautiful pink color, because the bag on the inside is like this dark brown color. But also, if you notice, you cannot just, you know, you cannot just open it super widely, so you don't have a lot of space to look into and then put your hand in there. So something lighter on the inside will make me just so happy, because most bags that are made for women, the inside of the bag is either black or like a very dark color. You know, here during the winter where I live, it gets pitch black at 5. So imagine just running errands at 5 p.m. you know, after you get out of work, and then you have to dig into your bag, look for stuff, and then you cannot see anything. Well, it's better just to have a lighter interior. Now, a lot of people would be scared about a lighter interior because they're like, oh, I'm just gonna get that super dirty. That's not my case. I'm really a very clean person. Naturally, I have great hygiene, and I'm just not going to make any of these items dirty at all whatsoever, ever. Also, I don't stick food in my bag, God forbid, or snacks or anything, no drinks. Even if I have a water bottle, I will carry it in my hands, okay? Or a coffee, it's always going to be in my hand, never in my bag. So, and also, if I didn't have an insert, I have many makeup pouches that I can stick my pens in there, makeup in there. So I would never jeopardize the inside of my bag ever. I really take great care of my stuff. Yeah, and I've met people that really don't. They just can't help it. I don't know what it is. Like, they don't have that capacity of taking care of an item. Like, I have lended some of my stuff to people, and then when they return it to me, it's like I have to throw this away, or I have to repair it somehow, or I have to clean it, I have to de-stain. It's like insane. That's why I no longer let anybody borrow my stuff, honestly, because nobody is going to be like me to take extra care of things. This is me normally. This is not me just babysitting or treating my bag like a baby. It's not that. It's just literally, it's not that hard, you guys. Anyway, but going back to the insert, I feel like this is literally the best insert I have ever seen in my life. Not only that, but the quality. So this is 100% satin. So the reason why I wanted this material, a beautiful insert, right? Like, I want the inside of my bag to be beautiful, to be stunning, to be pleasant to touch, and all that, because I ordered this years ago, actually, in 2020, when I ordered my Neverfull. And honestly, I just didn't really think about it that much. I just went online on Amazon, ordered the first one I saw, and it was $13, done for. But then when I received it, I was like, oh damn, look at this material. It looks like stuff that you buy in Hobby Lobby and then you put it together yourself, right? And at that point, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to keep it. I mean, it's functional, it will work, it will do what I need. So I decided to keep it. But if you can see, this material is kind of like hard. Honestly, I do like the color, but it's kind of like ugly, kind of, right? Because of the material, and it's just like kind of hard and not super pleasant, but it did do the job, which was just to protect the interior of my bag. The thing is that the Neverfull that I got was not just regular Neverfull. It's a limited edition, so the inside is different, so I want to preserve that because it's just beautiful. And I do have a video showing that bag just in case. It's like from 2 years ago. Yeah, so when I saw the seller, I definitely decided to spend extra, which is not too much. I will put the link down below. I'm not affiliated with this seller. I don't even know who they are. I do know they are in Shenzhen. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, they gave me this cute card, and then they kind of like have a little introduction of their company, which is, you know, founded in Shenzhen in 2006, and they have been on Amazon for a while. But I did check, they have so many different colors. But yes, I just am happy how professional these people are. The cute bow, you guys, that literally made my day. Not only that, but how it was wrapped with the plastic. Pretty much the item never touches the cardboard, you know, so it literally was wrapped in this bag entirely. And then this came in here, and then it has this little tag, and it does say on the tag Speedy 25. And it says, these people are so cute. Look, it says, if you have any problems about your products, please contact us, with a cute little smiley face. You know, it's just the details. The details just speaks volumes about your professionalism. And I just love this item. So anyway, so let me do a close-up here. So look how cute. What I like about this is that there's nothing in the middle. Just like this one, for example, that has like that middle pocket, which I can definitely remove, but it doesn't bring anything. So it has like all side pockets. Here you have two, and here you have two. But I want you to pay extra attention at the material. It is just gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. And it's just such great quality. Now I'm going to put this now in the bag. So you have to push a little bit. Let me just do it here. So you have to squish it a little bit because, you know, the Speedy doesn't open up that much. So it was not that hard. Another benefit to this is just with the height of the item is going to just keep the shape beautifully. Look at how beautiful it looks, you guys. How cute is that? How cute. I think I would still put everything in a pouch, you know, but at least I can have my loose keys in here, loose phone. But it's just so cute. I am just so happy that I decided to order this one specifically, and it did take a couple of weeks, which typically, you know, when you order on Amazon, you expect to receive the items in 2 days, right? We're kind of like used to that. But I was just, you know, I just decided to be patient. Sometimes if you want great quality items, you just have to wait a little bit more, and it was just so worth it. So worth it. Now I am going to save this seller because I might replace this one for my Neverfull. I might do that as well, but I also want to keep them on the loop just in case if I get any new bags. I can definitely check out what they've got, and then I can order more inserts from them, because it's just, how cute is this? Look at that. Unbelievable. Sometimes I'm really surprised when companies make products for women, but without having in mind what women would really want. Do we want a black interior? Tell me in the comments if you're okay with it, if you hate it, if you're like me, if you prefer a lighter, more beautiful interior of each bag, like a cute pink. Like this is supposed to be ballerina pink inside, or at least have the option to, right? Because I know that this can be pretty unisex, but if I could have the possibility of choosing to have like a ballerina pink interior, 100% I would do it. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know, because I know there's a lot of people looking into these bags. I even have a subscriber that she got this bag recently, so I just want to let everybody know, just in case if you're looking for a good insert, you got it. This is it. This is it. Also, I want to give a special thanks to everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. So far, as of today, the last time I checked, earlier this morning, I have 459 subscribers. That is amazing. So if you are watching and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. You only have to be logged into your account here on YouTube, which is free, and also it's free to subscribe. You just have to push the subscribe button. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.